want? Hi. What?
Say hi, Hogan.
Why you come this way? Sit there. So it's a lovely day. I can't take a proper video. Hogan, I'm sorry. You have to stay. لازم يبقى on leash because he's pushing the kids on the swing. I'll show you the kids playing. Is your shoe okay? I won't show you only the feet, the little feet of my kids. My baby's little feet. They are playing. They are playing in this lovely day. They يلعبون والأسول هنا. Hello, Swallow. Go up. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not really. Hogan, هيو. تعال. Uppity up. Hogan, uppity up. Bye-bye. Bye. Sorry, I can't let him go because the kids are playing with the swing and he might hurt my kids. Sorry, no way, Jose. No way, Jose. He can push my kids and they are playing on the swing. No way, Jose. Hi. I'm not sorry you are on leash. Safety purposes. Your man is so strong. Yeah, okay. Don't defend me. He's defending me. بيحميني. He's protecting mama. This face is protecting me. Look at his fur. Do you see the sun? Do you see? Mesh highlight. شنو هاي short hair fur? شنو هاي؟ They're playing. It's a very, very nice day. Lovely sunshine. Lovely palms. Lovely sun. No, you stay. You're a dog after all. You stay. And the kids are safe. Tangled. Well, I can't, sorry. Yalla مع السلامة. Bye bye. Ciao Chisco. See you everybody. We love you until the next time. We'll see you until here you go. Here comes his little sister. Here comes his little. Goodbye, guys. The little sister's here. I love you, Hogan. You are my heart. Look. He can jump up. Up, jump. Yumma. We all love you. He was playing. لا تخافون. He was roaming around. كان يلعب بس الأطفال يلعبون ما يريد يأذيهم. قوي ما شاء الله. يدفع ناس. Yeah, I know. No. I love you, but no. Silly dog. Bye. See ya. Go up. Let's see, son. Go up. Is it a monkey? Is it the orangutan? Isn't it a lovely town? It's a beautiful town. It's gorgeous. Alhamdulillah ala kulli shay. We thank God on everything. God is our sustainer, is our provider. No, sit down in an afaga. I know you want to play, but when the kids finish playing. I love you. Okay, I'll stay. Hogan, I love you so much.